right, today we're gonna bring a dash cam for your car, and this is a 4K dash cam. It has optional. All right, you have an option to get suction cups if you want, or they have adhesive that you could permanently put in any kind of car that you have. They do give you a couple instructions here, and I like that they give you the actual this lining base. All right, and this is actually to tuck in the cable on your lining of your car. The one connection, which is type C connection, all right, it goes on the top if you guys can see that. There's also an auxiliary connection if you have additional connections in here, but out of the box you get actually a micro SD card already included with it. A lot of features on it. They get this USB that has dual USB connections that you can connect, a long cable that you could put this not only in cars, but you could put it in RVs and trucks. As long as you could reach the actual connection or a cigarette lighter or USB power source. So we're going to put this to test and see how it works. But first of all, I'm going to show you some of the features. Let's turn it on. Turn on automatically, and it's going to start recording. Now you got a bunch of features in here. You got menu, you got audio, you got distance, camera on and off. And under menu, you get a lot of different options right here, and it tells you how to go back and forward and how to hit enter. So we're going to go video, we're going to hit enter, and it enters in the bottom, and under video it goes back to video. If you want to change it to 4, you can change it to from 4K to 108 to 1080 if you want resolution, or 720. It's up to you, optional if you can do that. It's telling you what's going to be recording out of the box. All right, you're going to have all these options recording, how much memory we have. It's time-lapsing as it is right now, and after a while it blanks out the actual screens to save actual power. So not a bad thing. So I'm going to put it to a test and drive around, and we are going to do a suction cup. And in order to do a suction cup, you got to lock and lock in, lock out, unlock and lock. All right, and then this is to actually pull from the adhesive. All right, for testing purposes, we're just going to put a little moisture in here, put it right underneath the mirror so it won't disturb me, and it locks in place. We're going to record while we drive and talk and see how well the graphics looks, but I can't really drive in the field because I get monetized. I can't show license plates. So I'm going to show you some of the stuff in the day and night, if you guys can see that, how the quality is. All right, so let's go ahead and record and drive around in areas that we can't capture any zip codes or any barcodes or any kind of license plate. So let's go ahead and do that. .6 of you are not subscribers in my channel. I hope that the content helps you out and that you find it very useful, and I hope you hit the like and subscribe.